Hello guys, today I am going to show you how to use Roblox Studio. Currently I am on Roblox site from where you guys can download it, link will be in description. Anyways, I have it on my PC so it will just open for me. In this video we will be creating a script. We will be coding with scripts and creating a script using the script editor. We will talk about string variables, examples of strings and much more, so please subscribe and like because this video will surely help out and the upcoming videos will help out with development. So anyways, let's start. Coding is the process of creating instructions for computers to follow. Just like people use different languages such as English and Spanish, so do programs. Roblox uses the coding language Lua. This video will cover how to start coding in Roblox, introducing common concepts like scripts and variables. By the end, you'll be able to type out code that displays messages in Roblox Studio. In Roblox Studio, lines of Lua code are held in scripts. These scripts give the game sets of instructions on how to give players health points, create a rain of fireballs, or anything else imaginable. Scripts are commonly created in Server Script Service, a special folder for holding and running scripts. In the Explorer, hover over Server Script Service to see the plus button. Click the plus button and select script. This opens the script editor. Right-click on the script and select rename. Type in practice script. Naming scripts is an important way of remember what each one does. Whenever you create new scripts, the script editor will automatically open up. This is where you will type your code in. To find the script next time you open up Roblox Studio, click on the name of the script above the game editor or double-click the script's name in the Explorer. Whenever you create a new script, at the top of the script editor is the print function. Print functions display text to the screen. It's one of the first functions many people learn since it's a simple way of giving the script a command. Below is an example of the print function typed out and its output, what you'll see once the script runs. Remember back when you created a script. At the top of it was a message saying, "Hello world." That message in quotations is an example of a string variable type. Variables are containers for information the program can use and change, like player names or points. Lua variables can hold a variety of data types. Each data type holds a different kind of information, like a number, letter, or even a color. String variables, like the hello world, are a common data type that hold a mix of letters and numbers. String type variables always sit inside of quotation marks, like this. Some examples of string variables are below. Notice how they hold a mix of letters and numbers. You just joined the game, there are 50 players left 10. To practice using string variables, you'll code a message in a script. In Lua, well, there are different types of variables. You'll start with local variables, which are found in most scripts. To type variables, start with typing local, followed by a name that describes what that variable should contain. For example, local minum. Now, try coding it in a script. You'll write a message to store your favorite animal. In the Explorer, hover over Server Script Service. Click the plus sign and select script. Rename the script to something like variableist. In the script, remove the hello world message. Start a variable by typing local, then write the variable name, myAnimal. When a variable is just created, it doesn't have anything inside. To set it or put something inside its container, use the == symbol. In this case, you'll set the variable you created to a string data type. Still on the same line, type a string variable that describes your favorite animal. Make sure all words and letters are between quotation marks. Print functions display text to the screen. It's one of the first functions many people learn since it's a simple way of giving the script a command. To see your variable, use the print function. On a new line, type print. To print something, it must be inside the parentheses. To print the variable, type it inside, such as my animal. To test your code, use the output window. This window shows print output and errors from scripts. Select the View menu tab. Click Output. The window will appear at the bottom of Roblox Studio. To test the script, press play. Your new string will show up in the output window. Since you've tested the script, stop the play test. You can now return to the script tab to make any more changes or test out other strings. In this video, you will learn about object properties. You will know about the properties window, you will also learn about changing properties and much more, so please like and subscribe because this video will surely help out and the upcoming videos will help out with development. So anyways, let's start. Properties control how objects look and function. Each object in Roblox Studio has its own set of properties. For example, a part object has properties for color, size, and shape. Properties can be changed using the Roblox Studio interface or through scripts. To learn about properties, you'll explore common properties found in parts and then write a script to change part colors. Many of an object's properties are shown in the Properties window. Select a part. Scroll through the Properties window on the bottom right. If you don't see the window, go to the View tab and click the Properties button. The script will use code to change the color of a part at the start of the game. Since this is a practice script, it can be used in any simple template, such as the base blade or flat terrain. In a new project, select an existing part or create a new one. Rename the part practice part. In server script service, create a new script named change color. In the script, delete the hello world line. Then, write a comment by typing and then including a brief description of what the script will do. To make changes to any part using code, the script first needs to know which part to work with. Use the Explorer to find the part's location. In this case, practice part is under workspace. The specific path to find this part, such as workspace to practice part, needs to be translated into something a script can understand. Under the comment, type game. This gives you access to the workspace. Use dots to separate words. On the same line, type dot followed by workspace, the location of the part. Finish it by typing another dot and the name of your part. To change the color of the part, you'll use an RGB value. Computers use RGB values, the combination of red, green, and blue, to create all the colors on your screen. RGB values use 3 numbers from 0 to 255, separated by commas. For example, black is 0, 0, 0, while white is 255, 255, 255. For the part, the script will change its color property to a new color3, a data type that stores colors. After practice part, type .color to access the color property. Continue by typing == allowing you to set that color to something new. Then, set it to color3.from. That will allow you to create a new color. While colors can be manually typed inside the parentheses, it's easier to use a color picker. Click inside the parentheses and then click the color wheel. Follow the pop-up to create a color. Your code should look like below, but may have a different RGB. In this video you will learn about parents and children. First you will create a project and script, then we will teach you how parent and child are related, you will use script.parent and much more, so please like and subscribe because this video will surely help out and the upcoming videos will help out with development. So anyways, let's start. The code you've used so far won't run if there are multiple parts of the same name. That means if you want multiple parts to change colors, you'd have to make new parts and new scripts for each of them. That could take forever. Instead of doing this, you can use parent and child relationships with scripts. To practice this concept, you'll start with a single part that changes colors. Then, using a parent and child relationship, you'll make it so you can duplicate that part, allowing the code to be reusable. This practice can be included in any blank template. For it, you'll just use any part in script. Create a new part and rename it. This lesson will use color part. Right-click the part and select Insert Object New Script. Rename the script Color Change Script. Copy and paste the code below into Color Change Script. This stores the part in a variable, then changes its color. Play the project to just check that the part changes color as desired. A parent is anything that has objects, like scripts or parts, attached below it. Anything under the parent is its children. In the example shown below, color part is the parent and color change script is the child. With the current script, you can only change the color of a single part named color part. To change the color of any part, you can use a parent-child relationship. In code, this uses script.parent, which gets whatever the object is attached to. In this case, the script will get the parent part, allowing the code to be reusable in any part, regardless of name. Script.parent is used just like setting a variable with the == symbol. In the color changes script, replace the named part with script.parent. Check your code below. Now that the variable will refer to the whatever part the script is attached to, you can make as many copies